here is a first field. Here is first field, this field. So this field D is equal to, D means directory. Whenever the directory here, so it will be written here D, and hyphen means file. If there is a in a first field, this is the first field. If in the first field there is a D, D means directory, and hyphen means file. So wherever the D is written in a first field, it will be known as a directory. Got it? This is the one things. Another is a three options: second, third and fourth. Second, third and fourth. These three field, second, third and fourth field, permission of the user identity. User identity means owner. Owner means who have created this resource. This resource belongs to which user, like this is belongs to root user, and this is belongs to student user. So these permission belongs to the owner, means these permission will be the owner. So what is the meaning of the RWX? R is a read permission, W is a write permission, X is a execute permission. But there is a hyphen. Hyphen means no permission. There is a no permission. You can see here hyphen means there is a no permission. No permission. No permission. Okay. So that is the reason having the different permissions. Okay. So first field permission means first three fields, first, second, third and fourth. These belongs to the owner of the entity or owner of the directory or the file. And what about the next three field, fifth, sixth and seventh? These field is a permission for the group. So what is the meaning of the group identity? If your group is a XYZ, member of the XYZ, and there is a 3-4 users, so whatever the permission applied to this group will be applied to all the users. All the users. Okay. So again there is a 3 permission: read, write and execute, and hyphen is a none. So first field for the owner, second field for the group, and third field for others. Others means who are not neither the part of the owner and nor the part of the group. So they will be considered all the group and all the users exist on the system will be known as a other entities, expecting only the group and user. There is a 3 permission again: read, write and execute. Hyphen means none permission. Okay. So now the question, yes, I understood, but how to change the permission or how to set the permission? Okay, if you want to change the permission, so can you change by yourself? Yes, you can change the permission. If you are the root or any administrator can change the permission, or sudo can change the permission. Sudo user can change the permission. So there is a 2 type of the mode where you can change the permission. One is a chmod and it is called number system. Here is the number 764. This type of the modification known as a absolute mode. Another is a symbolic. Symbolic means when you will provide the symbol, write, read and execute, user, group and other. And here is the permission for the chmod. So what these permission you will understand you can understand clearly about the I am giving absolute mode with the examples. So there it is called octal value. Always you know 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 bits. First bit value 1, second bit 2, third bit 4. And first is write, second is read, another is execute. So there is a value of the 4 and 2 and 1. Read is equal to 4, write is equal to 2 and execute is equal to 1. So if you want to grant the permission, there is a 3 field, 1 field, 2 field and 3 field. 1 field is related to the owner, second group, third other. Okay, so in a first field there is a 3 permission, read, write and execute. So there is a 3 field, read, write and execute, right? So if you want to give all permission, so you will write 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. Similar second field belongs to the group. So again the permission as read, write, acts. If you want to give the permission only the read, so 4, and if you want to write, don't want to give the write, want to give the execute, so the value will be 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. So first field 7, second field 5, another field I want to give the only read permission, not give the W, not give the execute, only the read permission. So here is value 4, this value will be 0, this value will be 0, means 4. So what is the meaning of the 754? 7 means all the permission, read, write, execute. 5 means read and execute. 4 means only read permission. If you want to enable neither read, neither write, neither execute, so you can put it 0, 0, 0. So it will be sign is a 0. So what does it means? UGO. U means user, group and owner. So it will be display or implement the file by using the chmod command and the number and the file. So this is the first system where you can change the value. Okay. So how you can do this value? I will display you all these permissions here how you can. So actually here you can see the student 02 and the Vijay having the permission for this. Student is a other. Student is a other and other can only read. So when you will run the cat and file 1, you can read. Inside the file 2, there is nothing, but you can read. You can read this file as well as, this file as well as this file, because there is a read permission. Got it? There is a read permission. So I am going to exit, and file 2 belongs to the read root. So I am as a Vijay user. Who am I? Vijay. And Vijay can read the file. Cat file 2, but cannot write. But who can write? Sudo. So I am writing something data. Sudo echo 0015, whatever this is the data, and then write into the file. Okay, so exit, and now the Vijay user can read the file 2. Okay, so clear everything. ls-l, this is the permission, old permission. Now I am going to do the new permission. So what is the new permission? I am going to implement the sudo chmod and file chmod 777 and file 2. Everyone can read and write. So now I am checking if I am able to write whatever inside the file 2, I am able to write or not. So right now I am able to write. Why? Because new permission is, if I want to make the changes again for this file, here I am going to put 770. Now if I want to open this file 2, permission denied. Why? Because the new permission is other person, means the member of the group root can do it, either the root can do it. So I am going to change the user modification -a and group name is a root and username is student 0. It can read the file. Can it write the file? It can write the false file also. Vijay can't. Why? Because Vijay here considered as a other, but the student 01 is the member of root group. So he is the member of the root group. That is the reason he is able to change this file. Okay. If I will change the permission again, like I am going to make the changes permission again. So I am putting here chmod zero and 0 of file 2. So now tell me guys, the student can write file or not? He can read the file or not? Cannot read. Can it write? Of course can't write.